Well, hi there. Warm welcome. You're watching Times Now, and I'm Meghna Dekha. Well, first up, let's take you across to the state of Karnataka. Even as the people of the state reel from the Khatakar blowback of price hikes, the state government's priorities seem to be elsewhere. Well, rather than addressing the concerns of the people, the Siddaramaiah government has hit the streets against the centre. Well, the government has been radio silence on the diesel price hikes that led to truckers going on an indefinite strike. Not a word when it came to the milk price hikes or imposition of the garbage tax. But now, ahead of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, the Congress cadres will be raising their voices against price hikes, not by their own Sarkar, but by the Modi Sarkar in the centre. Ironic, isn't it? Watch this. Well, these are the visuals which are coming in. As you can see, Congress holding a protest, not against their own price hikes, the fuel cess, but this time against the centre. Let me go across to Neha Hebale, who's joining us with all the details on this. I'll be going across to other reporters as well. But Neha, I'm going to come to you first. Tell us about this highly, what many would call hypocritical march, because there have been protests against the Congress Sarkara every day in Bengaluru against their price hike, but the Congress today tries to turn the tables protesting against the centre.
Well, that's absolutely right. You know, we're seeing the manner in which protests over here by the Congress party in Karnataka are in fact raising questions. On one hand, of course, you know, you have them protesting against the centre for the diesel price hike. But on the other hand, our protests now that have been breaking out against the Congress government also over here, whether it's been by the lorries union, whether it's been by, in fact, you know, the transport corporation that had threatened to stop their operations, a host of issues over here, but the protests continue. What is, of course, imperative here is to note that even as you have the senior leadership of the Congress party that's at this protest over here, the fact is that, you know, they claim now that this is the hypocrisy by the centre, that, you know, they hike prices as well, and then they protest against the state. What is, of course, crucial here to note is that between this political scuffle of the state and the centre right now, it is in fact, you know, of course, the people who are, you know, being sandwiched, of course, between this political fight, whether it's the people over here in the state of Karnataka now who voiced several concerns against the price hike over here, whether it's been milk, diesel, now, of course, you know, electricity, and a host of hikes that haven't really stopped. Ticket prices also. And even as that comes in, we've spoken to many Congress leaders who've come down for the protest here, who all say that, you know, of course, this is a hike against the LPG. This is a protest, I beg your pardon, against the hike in the LPG prices by the centre.
Well, ironic, isn't it? In fact, let's get you some voices which are coming in from the Congress party, how they're going to defend the cess, the tax, even the garbage tax they themselves have put. And instead, they are going out and protesting against the centre. Listen to these voices.
They are talking baseless. That we have raised as 4 rupees for the milk. It's going to the farmers. And till 200 units, we are given free current. And yes, little rise we have done it, but it's to development of the state. Because we have to do it somewhere. But not like BJP. From last 12 years, they have been cheating the people of Karnataka. And they're fooling the people of whole India. So in that we are having protest today.
Well, let me go across to Pinky. Pinky, did you speak to these Congress leaders there? What about, if they really care about the people and the price rise, pinching their daily domestic budgets, why not cut their own sets? Why not cut down on their own taxes that they have imposed upon the people of Karnataka if their hearts are really bleeding for the people?
Well, an absolute hypocrisy as far as this particular protest is concerned, because we did try to speak to many Congress leaders on this particular protest that has been called by Congress. On one side, we are continuously been seeing one after another price hike. We saw metro price hike, we saw milk price hike, water tariff, electricity tariff, we saw garbage tax being implemented, a complete burden on common man. However, on the other side, we see Congress protesting against the price hike. Irony much much. But clearly, when we tried speaking to all these leaders of Congress party, they blame BJP for all the hikes that we have seen recently in Karnataka, saying that this is BJP's policies that has in fact forced us to hike prices as far as Karnataka is concerned. So clearly a big hypocrisy as far as this particular protest is concerned. While Congress protests against the LPG price hike, the fuel price hike, clearly blaming the BJP for all the price hikes that have happened in Karnataka as well.
Well, in fact, let me go across to Neha. Neha, what's the mood like on the ground? You have been getting us reports in the past as well that there has been a lot of anger, especially when it came to the cess, the hike which led by the state government increasing its cess when it came to fuel, diesel and petrol. What are the people of Bengaluru, for example, saying about this protest being held by the Congress this time around against the centre?
Well, of course, it's just anger amidst the people, even as you have, of course, all of the senior leaders of the Congress party protesting here. People are concerned. The manner in which, of course, the hikes are being carried out over here, one after the other, has made people question as to whether giving the guarantees on one hand and snatching the benefit of it away by hiking prices on the other is the model here of the government in the state. Remember, of course, it's not just the opposition. Even if we leave the politics out of this for a minute, you talk to the common man, of course, on various counts we've spoken to them. When the bus ticket prices hike happened, when the milk prices were hiked, when in fact, the lorry unions recently continue their indefinite strike now, saying that the diesel prices have impacted them terribly. It has been a series of hikes over here.
Right.
This Katakat model now, of course, that is being questioned over here by the people as well. We'll really have to wait and see for how long the people are going to have to bear the brunt of the hikes by the state and the centre.
Absolutely. In fact, keep tracking the developments on that front. You have the Congress protesting against the centre over price hike. Look at the irony of it all. Thank you so much, Pinky, as well as Neha Hebale, for joining us. Well, from Karnataka.